Starting with nothing and building a $1.5 million affiliate marketing business is possible. Here's how I did it. I leveraged free resources, created a blog using WordPress.com, and used social media to drive traffic. I partnered with free affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and ClickBank. I focused on niches with minimal investment but high earning potential: personal finance, health, and online tools. I used free traffic strategies like SEO, social media marketing, and YouTube. My content strategy included product reviews, how-to guides, and listicles to solve audience problems. It took 3 to 4 months to see significant earnings. Consistency in content creation was key. Challenges included generating consistent traffic and building trust with my audience. Tools I used for free included Canva for graphics, Google Keyword Planner for research, and MailChimp for email marketing. Scaling involved content expansion, email list growth, and partnering with high-ticket programs. Starting with $0 is challenging, but anyone can do it with free tools and effort. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on solving problems. Trust and value are key. Building a $1.5 million affiliate marketing business was rewarding. Use these strategies to get started today.